Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And for that you have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the control center. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol that you're here at the control center. And on top you will see here the power off symbol. You need to go now 2 steps. So first of all, just tap just for short on the power symbol. And then you need to long press now the second step for 1 or 2 seconds. Leave your finger and then you're here at the power off menu. So just slide now to the right and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone, and for that you will need the buttons for. So you will need the side button and the volume down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you're finally here as well at the power off menu. So just slide it now to the right and the phone is turning off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Now I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.